Let me tell you the story of the hare and the tortoise. A hare was making fun of the tortoise one day for being so slow. Do you ever get anywhere? He asked the tortoise with a mocking laugh. Yes, replied the tortoise. I get there sooner than you think. I'll run you a race and prove it. The hare was much amused at the idea of running a race with the tortoise. But for the fun of the thing, he agreed. So the fox, who had consented to be as a judge, marked the distance and started the runners off. The hare was soon out of sight, and to make the tortoise feel how deeply it was ridiculous for him to try and race with a hare, he lay down beside the curse to take a nap until the tortoise should catch up. The tortoise, meanwhile, kept going slowly but steadily, and after time passed the place where the hare was sleeping. But the hare slept on very peacefully, and when at last he did wake up, the tortoise was near the goal. The hare now ran as fast as he could, but he couldn't overtake the tortoise in time. The moral lesson of this story, my friends, is the race is not always to the swift. Planning and consistency on your goals and sticking to the track and plan will get you where you want, not how fast you are. Thank you very much.